Okay, so let's have a look at the major scale. So the inner wheel, as I said, represents the notes of the major scale, and in this example we're looking at the C major scale. So here we can see that the notes of the C major scale are C, D, E, F, G, A and B. The red sector is the starting point for the scale. It's known as the tonic. So to find out the notes of any other of the major scales, you simply dial the red sector to the scale you want to understand, and we can see that in A major the notes are A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp and G sharp, and in the book I explain very simply when to use these naming conventions, sharps or flats, and you just do that like this for any of the major scales that you want to understand. Simple as that. We've looked at the major scale, now let's have a quick look at the minor scale. So to work out the notes of a minor scale, this time we use the indigo sector. So if we align the indigo sector to the letter C, so we can see that the C minor scale consists of the notes of C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat and B flat. And again the same principle applies to understand the notes of all the other minor scales. Then you simply move the indigo sector and align it up with the note of whatever scale you want to learn. You can see here in the book we talk about major scales, pentatonic major scales, the natural minor scales, pentatonic minor scales. Then you have all the modal scales, the Dorian, the Phrygian, the Lydian, the Mixolydian and the Locrian. Don't worry too much about this for now, but it shows how easy it is to unlock these scales using MusicWheels.